Greetings! When you install IDM on your PC, it is automatically integrated into the Chrome browser. However, if the IDM extension is not showing in the browser, you can add it easily. Open IDM Options. On the General tab, ensure Use Advanced Browser Integration and your browser are selected. Now, in your web browser, search for the IDM extension. Open the official web link. Click the Chrome Web Store link. Click Add to Chrome. Add extension. The IDM extension will be integrated into the Chrome browser. If it's not enabled, you can do so in the Extensions section.